Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphics settings on the Hearthstone game within your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hearthstone game on your PC, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage. From the main menu, in order to change your graphics settings, click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now from this page, click on Options, and you will now see the graphics settings at the left side. You can click on the resolution drop-down menu and choose your resolution, and you also have the option to choose your graphic quality. Click on the drop-down menu and choose between low, medium and high, and you also have the option to choose your frame rate. Underneath this, you can check the full screen checkbox if you want your game to run on full screen mode. After changing and setting up all of these graphic settings, you can go back to your game, and these settings will be applied to your game right away. You can now start to enjoy your game, and the settings have already been applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphics settings on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.